Hey, foodies! Welcome back, and today we have a delicious and flavorful recipe for you: creamy dill potato salad. Whether you're planning a picnic, a barbecue, or just looking for a tasty side dish, this recipe is sure to impress. So, let's dive right in. Boiling the potatoes. Start by washing and scrubbing about 2 pounds of baby potatoes. Leave the skins on for that rustic touch. Now, let's boil them until they're fork tender. Preparing the dressing. While our potatoes are boiling away, let's whip up the creamy dressing. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Mix it well for that perfect creamy consistency. Chopping the fresh ingredients. Next, let's chop up our fresh ingredients. Dice up a 1/2 cup of red onion and finely chop 2 celery stalks. And of course, we can't forget the star of the show: fresh dill. Chop up about 2 tablespoons of this aromatic herb. Assembling the salad. Our potatoes are cooked and cooled. Now, cut them into bite-sized pieces and add them to a large mixing bowl. Time to bring everything together. Mixing and seasoning. Pour that creamy dressing over our potato and veggie mix. Gently toss everything together to ensure every bite is coated in that delicious dressing. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Chilling and serving. For the best flavor, let your potato salad chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Once chilled, it's ready to serve. And there you have it, a simple and scrumptious creamy dill potato salad that's perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more delicious content. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty update. Thanks for joining me today. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!